Good morning, dear students. Can you see this picture? Okay, so do you know what is it? Yes, it is a tray. Okay, it is a tray. And do you know that why do we use this tray? Yes, we use this tray to serve the things, or we can say that eatables. Sometimes we serve coffee, tea, and some food items also. So you can see here the color of the tray. It is white. So this is a silver tray. Okay. So silver is a metal which is white in color. So this is your silver tray. So dear students, now we are moving toward our next chapter of our reader book. And do you know what's the name of the chapter? Yes, the name of the chapter is The Silver Tray. So before moving toward the chapter, first of all, we all will discuss difficult word meaning of this chapter. First is village. Village means a rural area. Next, women. Women means ladies. Enough. Enough means too much. Forward. Forward means next or next to. Visitors. Visitors are comers, or we can say the persons who come to visit. Carefully, with a lot care. And surprise means shocked. Replied means answered. Trouble means problem or difficulty. And through. Through means, this is the pronunciation of this word is through, and through means by, mean of, or by. Okay, so now we are moving toward the chapter. There was a small girl. Her name was Geeta. You all can see here picture this girl. She is Geeta, and this lady, she is her mother. And you all can see the condition of their house. They are looking poor. Okay, so she lived in a village with her mother. They were very poor. Sometimes they did not even have food to eat. On such days, they had to sleep hungry. When they do not having anything to eat, then what did they do? They slept hungry. One day there was no food in the house. Okay. One day again there was nothing in their house to eat. Geeta went into the forest to look for some wild fruit. So went word comes from go. Second form of go is went. On the way, she saw a very old woman. So when she was going toward the forest, so on the way, she saw an old woman. This is Geeta, and this is the old woman she saw. And the old woman was trying to lift a very heavy bag. You can see also heavy bag of old woman, so she was trying to lift it. Geeta was a kind girl. So kind, opposite of kind is cruel. Okay, she went forward and helped the woman. The old woman thanked her. So thanked word comes from the word thank. Thanked, thanked. When the woman Then the woman looked carefully at her. She looked at her carefully. She asked, "My child, why do you look so sad? Why are you so sad?" So she said, "Because my mother and I have not eaten anything for the last 2 days." She said that for the last 2 days, her mother and she, They both had not eaten anything. So, I came here to look for some wild fruits, replied Geeta. And did you find anything? Asked the old woman. So the old woman, she asked that, did you find something? Did you get something to eat? So what happened after that? No, replied Geeta sadly. You know that she was very sad because she did not get anything to eat in the forest. So she was very sad. So sadly she replied, no. The old woman put her hand into her bag. After that, the old woman, she put her hands into the bag. She took out a silver tray. In her bag there was a silver tray, and she took it out. She gave the tray to Geeta, saying, you are a kind girl. You will never go hungry again. This is a magic tray. Whenever you want food, just say, cook silver tray, cook, and you will have all types of food. So the old lady, she gave the silver tray and said that whenever you needed food, you have to say only cook silver tray, cook, and you will have lots of food items to eat. Now, and when you want to stop, say stop silver tray, stop. Okay, so these were the magical words. Whatever she said, cook silver tray, cook for cooking, and stop silver tray for stopping. Okay, the little girl was very happy. She thanked the old woman and ran home. She ran away towards her home and she was very happy. Okay, so the tray worked well. Now Geeta and her mother never went hungry. Now Geeta and her mother, they both never went hungry. Whenever they wanted food, Geeta said, cook silver tray, cook. When they wanted food, so Geeta always give the command, cook silver tray, cook. So when she gave the command, cook silver tray, cook, they having lot of food items to eat. And when there was enough food for two, she says, stop silver tray, stop. Okay, so one day Geeta had gone to her friend's house. Okay, she had something in her friend's house, so she went to her friend's house. Some visitors came to call on her mother. So some visitors came to call on her mother, and you know that what happened? The mother showed them the silver tray, how it worked. She showed them silver tray and also told that how it worked. All kinds of food came on the tray. The visitors looked on in surprise. But now the trouble began. Mother did not remember the right words to stop the tray. Now what happened? That she gave the command to the silver tray to cook the food, but she forgot the right words to stop the silver tray. So she started to say, stop, stop, no more silver tray, she ordered. Stop, please stop silver tray, she cried. But the tray kept cooking and cooking more food. But silver tray, it kept cooking the food. Okay. Next, the food fell from the table to the ground. Firstly, the table filled with the food. Then food came out of the table to the ground. Then it went out onto the road. Then after that, the food started to flow on the road. You can see here the picture also that a river of food is flowing. All the people came out of their houses to see the river of the food. Here you can see the people. They all came out of the houses to see the river of the food. Geeta also heard the shouts and the cries. She came out of her friend's house. Now she saw that the river of the food was flowing. So she immediately came to know that river of food is flowing from her house. She swam through the river of the food. You can see here, Geeta, she is swimming in the river of the food. As soon as she came near her home, the river of the food stopped flowing, from the tree. When she reached near her house, so she saw that the river of the food had stopped. So can you know? So please can you tell me that how did that river of the food it stopped? So this is your task, that you have to conclude the story with a conclusion, that what happened at the end of the story, how the tree stopped, and after that you all have to read this chapter also with the proper pronunciation. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.